here to celebrate new jobs. We're here to celebrate new economic development. We're here to celebrate new investment. We're here because General Motors and your partners are investing in a 1.2 million square foot new facility here in Arlington that's going to produce 850 new jobs here in Arlington, new high-paying jobs coming to Texas. Of those 850 new jobs, 600 of those jobs are coming back to America from overseas.
General Motors, we thank you for your commitment. Arlington, thank you for your wisdom and your guidance.